Forget Photoshop and Canva. Google just dropped Nano Banana Pro, the world's best image editing model, and it's about to change everything for creators, students, and businessmen. Literally for everyone. Here is why this is insane. It is built on Gemini 3 Pro. Nano Banana Pro is the first AI model that redacts text perfectly in any language, any font, any style, Hindi, Spanish, Japanese, all legible. Its outputs are native and 4K resolution, maintains character consistency across 5 different people in one image, and can blend up to 14 images at once into one cohesive masterpiece. It gives you studio quality controls, change camera angles, adjust lighting from day to night. No Photoshop skills needed, just text prompts. The students turn rough sketches into professional diagrams, annotate food photos with all ingredients for nutrition projects, create infographics for presentation, and generate handwritten notes that look authentic, all in sync. For product designers, upload a sketch and Nano Banana turns it into a photorealistic 3D product. Change camera angles, create rotating product reels from one photo, and present multiple designs options instantly to clients. Content creators, here are many things to do. Change aspect ratios intelligently. Need a square thumbnail for Instagram? Then you can do with Nano Banana Pro. Change any 16:9 or 9:16 thumbnail into a 1:1 square thumbnail. Nano Banana Pro doesn't just crop, it fills the new spaces with matching content. No more stretching or weird crops. For e-commerce sellers and marketers, it is a launchpad. Launch AI photoshoot package, turn soft file listings into motion ads, create rotating products reels from a single photo, swap backgrounds, and generate lifestyle shots without hiring photographers. This is a game changer for marketing agencies. So overall, the editing is insane. Upload any image and describe it in plain English. Let's take example. Change the car to midnight blue while keeping reflections. Add a red umbrella over the person, or turn this into a watercolor painting. It understands context and edits with surgical precision. No masks, no layer needed. Combines up to 14 images into one cohesive image. Create collages, merge product shots, show multiple angles side by side, all while maintaining photorealistic quality and consistency. If you have a rough sketch, upload it, and Nano Banana Pro adds detailed texture, lighting, and realism. Your ideas become photos instantly within seconds. Finally, here is how to leverage it more. Keep your prompts under 25 words for best results. Start with subject, lighting, and style in one sentence. Then refine by adding textures, color, mood, and camera angles in a second part. Additionally, make one edit at a time for best accuracy. Change lighting first, then adjust color, then add object. Sequential editing gives you studio quality result. That is mind-blowing. So now let's know where can you use this. It is live now in the Gemini app for Pro and Ultra subscribers, Google AI Studio for developers, Vertex AI for enterprises, Google Slides, Wits, Ads, and even Notebook LM. It is literally everywhere. So Nano Banana Pro, it is the world's best editing model as of now. Students, creators, designers, marketers, this levels the playing field for everyone. Drop a banana if you are hyped, and hit like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. And tell me what is the first thing you will build with or create with Nano Banana. So let's go.